What is up everybody, Chris Evans here, and today I'm going to be unboxing Respawn's 110 racing style gaming chair. I'm super stoked about this because I have been in need for a good while now of a good chair to sit on while I'm editing, shooting videos, and hell, I'm even going to use it for when I type up my case notes for work. But first, one thing has to be done. I'm going to have to get rid of old Smokey.
Oh my God! What is that?
I'm sorry, old Smokey. Please. I hope one day you can forgive me. But it's gotta be done. It's gotta be done. I wish there was another way, buddy, but there ain't. I'm sorry. I love you. Jesus Christ. What the hell is that? Homeowners Association is going to be pissed. Let's put together this new gaming chair, shall we? Okay! Alright, so I opened the box already. I actually meant to do it while recording because I had this sweet knife I was gonna show you guys that I opened it up with, but I forgot to hit the record button, so life happens sometimes. So upon opening this, you got a fresh leathery smell. So here we got the lower half of the seat here and leg rest that comes in and out. Set of instructions. Looks like we got the top part of the seat, pillows, armrests, more armrests, more pillows, and we got a box. Time to cut. Okay, looks like a seat adjuster. One last box. Cut through the top here, and let's see, the wheels. So now that I've showed you everything that's in the box, let's put this bad boy together. Back in frame here. So now that we have everything unboxed, what we're gonna need first is our instructions. Always need to look at the instructions first. For safety, you don't wanna kick that chair back and then you just go flying off. Nope. So it comes with stickers. I don't know if you can see that, but you can, it's all white, so I don't know. All right, instructions. Hey, looks simple enough. Looks like it's about a 6-step instruction manual, so it shouldn't be too hard. We'll have this together in no time. Yeah. So it says step 1, open the legs. Open these bad boys up. So you're gonna open it up just like this. Step 2, insert the wheels and the middle thingy. Wheels. These wheels are nice, boy. Look at that. Look at that. They are nice. Plastic. Looks like they spin really easily. So it looks like all we gotta do is take this metal knob and insert it into the circle right there, right in the center. Boom. All right, all 4 wheels are in. Yep, it was in the skinny box. All right, so it looks like you want this yellow or this orange part, the little nipple thing sticking up, and the thick plastic part facing down. And then you're basically just gonna take your wheel and insert it right in the center of that hole. Drop it in there like so. Boom. Step 3. You're gonna take the bottom part of the seat and you're gonna take your seat adjuster and and you're gonna connect them. Now this, you're gonna match it up with the 4 holes that are right here, and then you want these 4 holes to face the back of the chair. So it's gonna go on like that. So it looks like this thing comes with all the tools you will need, all the screws and tools you'll need to put it in. All right, so once yours is looking like this, we're now ready to put it on this. There we go. Yeah. All right, looks like a good fit. So next up on our instruction manual, we gotta put on the back part of the seat. Let's do it. All right, let's take all this crap off. Pull it out the back. Wow, this looks nice, man. So now what we're gonna do is, there's a metal part right there, and then we got this metal thing sticking out the bottom of the back, and we're just gonna slide that in right there. Ow, I hit myself in the face. So now that it's slid in, we gotta put some more screws in to hold it up. All 3 screws are put in. Look at that, that back ain't going nowhere, man. That is stiff. That is stiff. Ooh, that's looking nice. Step 6, armrests. All right, we gotta take the armrests out of the package. Oh my God, this leather smells so good. All right, you wanna make sure the shiny little circle thing is facing outwards. Place it on these 2 metal knobs on the side of the chair, and now put the screws in. All right, now that the screws are in, we're gonna place these screw toppers on top of them so that it looks nice. Look at that. You can't even tell there were screws there. Not at all. All right, let's take out the other armrest. All right, place them on, Allen wrench, and screw them on. Screws are in, screw covers. Black cow and black cow. That looks nice. And last but not least, we gotta do the pillows. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. All right, kind of cushy, I like it, I like it. Not too stiff. Bottom one, oh yeah, the bottom one's a little bit more firm, but I like it because that's for your lower back. You're gonna want it a little bit firm, but not too firm, you know? It's kind of nice. It's a good middle ground. All right, now that the pillows are on the chair, there's only one thing left to do. Let's test this baby out. Wow, I mean, honestly, it's not bad. It's not bad. I kind of don't like the top pillow thing. I wonder. Yeah, see, I don't like the top pillow. It keeps my head like forward. I think it's too big. You know, it makes your chin go down. So like, but without it, you can just put your head back. It's not like the back of the chair is stiff. You know, it's soft. You don't need a pillow. Watch, check it out. So with the pillow on, see my head. See, my head is just, it just keeps my body like this. With the pillow on, my body is just kind of curved. I can't keep my back straight with the top pillow on. So I think if you eliminate the top, boom, now I can put my head however I want. I can chill while I'm playing. I don't think I'll be using it. The lower pillow, however, feels pretty good. Feels good, keeps my lower back, you know, straight and makes my shoulders go back, because I have a big problem with slouching, and that's something my other chair, you know, kind of made me do with slouch. So let's test the tilt on this thing. So we got a lever. That feels nice. It goes up and down. Stand up. Different heights. So about that's the different heights. Now there's a locking lever, so you can actually lift it up and unlock it, and you can use the armrests to help move the seat back along with yourself. So let's whoa, all right, so this is laid back, and the cool thing with this is you can pretty much lock it in any position that you want. The cushions are great. I can see myself being able to sit in this chair for a couple hours without it hurting my ass. My other chair, I was pretty much using a pillow on top of the padding that was already in the chair, because I was sitting in it for so many hours a day editing and working on case notes for my job that I could feel the wood just pushing on my ass bones. But I don't feel like I'll be feeling that in this chair. So there's definitely enough padding and enough cushion. I love the padding and the cushion on the armrests. Thank God I didn't get the plastic armrest, because I definitely game like this, or when I'm typing, you know, I need my arms on something cushiony for when I'm typing. So definitely I love the padding on the armrests. All right, so now that we got that, there's one thing we haven't tried. It's the leg rest. So you just pull it out like this, I guess. And you flip it up. Okay. All right. Feels kind of nice. I would have liked the pad to be a little bit more farther down, like where my feet are. It stops right on my calves. Couple that with the layback. And look at that. We got a very uncomfortable bed that you can sleep in at the office or at your desk. I don't know why you would want to, but you know what? I guess if you were really tired and you had no other choice, this could be an option, I guess. So there you have it. That's going to do it for this unboxing episode of Respawn's 110 racing style gaming chair. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please show me by hitting that like button. It really shows that you guys want to see more of these types of videos, and let me give you my honest opinion on just the products that I buy for my YouTube setup. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you never miss another upload. Till next time, this is Chris Evans, out.